I will complete here uses of e-learning. The first one, combining a content management system and social network. The second one, adds help students exchange opinion and ID, which help in creative thinking. The third one is conduct group decision and send message and exchange file between teacher and student. The fourth one is provide a digital library containing learning resource for scientific content. The last one is create training course that strengthen student in scientific content. The second slide is compares table of some e-learning. The first one is Hermash is have a free course and library and security. The second one is Shams Al Arabiya as have training course and the free course and security. The third one is Ajdar, only have training course. The fourth one is Khan Academy, is have training course and free course and security. The last one is Ruaq, is have a training course and free course and security. The meaning of security is have the most secure of user. The next slide is objective. The first one is digital library, and the second one is exam models. The third one is training course, and the fourth one is explanation. The last one is chat room.
After describing the main objectives of our project, this is the field of study that deals with the system process design, specifically use cases. Use cases describe how actors interact with the system. We have considered the only primary actor of the system as the student actor, which deals with several of use cases. We have also considered the relationship between the use cases as included relationship and extended relationship. To give you an idea of how a student can deal with these use cases, he can register, but he can do so by verify his account. He can contact website login, view dashboard, and if he wish to edit his profile, he can do so by change password, update account, change profile picture. The most important thing is the system will record his progress if he wish to view course. He can view course, but he has to view the course detail. He can check the training course if there is a training course, but he must be applied to that training course. The first secondary actor of the system was the trainer or teacher actor of the system. He can do several of things with the use cases. Let's say he can suggest a course for the website. He can do so by insert, delete, or update a course in the website. The third secondary actor of the system was the admin, and the admin administer the most use cases of our project. Suppose that the administrator check student account. He can do so by browse or delete if he wish to. He can administer the course type by modifying the course type. He can administer the library box by inserting, deleting, or modifying. He can accept or reject the check the student registration, as well as he can get suggested course from the trainers or student, and he can accept or reject those.
In classes diagram, we have 8 classes. The admin class have 4 attributes: name, password, email, phone number, and relations with all other classes. Student class have 4 attributes: student name, password, email, phone number, and relations with library, explanation, training course, chat room, exams. Lecturer class have 5 attributes: name, password, email, college name, phone number, and relations with training course, chat room, admin. Library class have 3 attributes: name, ID, level, and relations with student admin. Explanation class have 3 attributes: explanation name, explanation ID, explanation description, and relations with student admin. Training course class have three attributes: training name, training ID, training description, and relations with lecturer, admin, exam, student. Chat room class have five attributes: message ID, student name, trainer name, room name, message text, and relations with lecturer, admin, student. Exam class have four attributes: exam ID, exam name, exam type, degree, and relations with training course.
Project sequence diagram describes member and platform interaction with the site in perfect condition. The member first login to the platform. Then the server checks the member and insert in database. Then the student chooses the required section from 5 different sections. If the digital library section is chosen, then choose level and book. After that, database sent the book to the student. If it choose training courses section, the required training is chosen so that the web page request is sent to student. Registration database for training, the registration confirmation is sent and the student is format of that, after which training can be started. When selecting the explanation section, the student selects category and video so that the web page requests video from database. Then the database sent requested video to the web page from viewing. Some method is repeated with the exam section. As for chat room section, the message is written on the web page, then sent to database from safe, showing student with it was sent. For logout, the database is told for saving to return homepage.
This is user interfaces. I will show you the first 5 pages. This home page, we have register and again all again. Also we have a library, descriptions, exams, trying course. Next page we have a register page. This box for username, phone number, email and password. Next page we have again or login. They can log in by a different way, like use username or email. Next page we have a library page. We have various books like C++, Python, matching PHP and MySQL. The next page we have description page. For example, MySQL lessons, or the student can choose any of this description to see them.
Assalamu alaikum. We complete the rest of the user interface. Here we see the user interface for the training courses that contains some courses such as Python and SQL and HTML and others. Here we see the user interface for the test and contains questions and their answers. Here we see the chat rooms and the student can communicate with the teacher. Finally, here we see the technical support interface. We can submit suggestions and complaints. Here we reach the end of our first part of our project. We hope that the idea has reached and satisfied your thoughts, and we surely do not forget to thank Dr. Osama for his work with us. Finally, we appreciate and thank the arbitrators Dr. Muhammad al-Zahrani and Dr. Muzammil Muhammad. Thank you for all.